Hey, beautiful people. So I'm back with another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about Kickoff. Now, if you haven't signed up for Kickoff, you're really missing out. So I personally signed up for Kickoff, and my credit score went up 36 points in just 2 weeks. So I want everybody to really sign up for Kickoff, and keep this in mind, too. It's free. So it's a free way to boost your credit score, especially if you don't have anything where you want an extra boost in your credit score. Now, Kickoff is an account where they borrow you 12 virtual dollars, and every month you have to pay it back. Now, as you keep paying it back, it's going to boost your credit score because they're going to keep reporting to the credit bureaus that you're paying your dollar every month. But you have to just log into your account and pay it. So let me show you how to sign up. So to sign up, all you have to do is click the sign up button. Now, when you click sign up, put your email address in and put your password in. Now, when you go ahead and put this information in, they're going to request more personal information from you, such as like your first and last name, your address, your date of birth, your social. And when you put this information in, they're going to send you a verification code because they want your phone number also. They're going to send you a verification code to your phone number. Just go ahead and verify it. So if you and your husband or you and your wife are signing up for this account, make sure that you guys use your own separate number and you go ahead and get the verification code. But after you sign up for this account, like I said, my credit score went up 36 points in just 2 weeks. So let me show you what it looks like on my account. So they're like, hey, good morning, Rickita. Hi. So I usually say like happy Monday, happy Tuesday. I usually don't say good morning, but it is what it is. Now, I already made 2 payments on my account. So I just made my second payment already. My next payment I can't make. So like right now they're saying it's due September 26th. I can't make that right now. I have to wait 16 days. I'm way too early to make that payment, but you can make the payment ahead of time. Just make sure every month you come back in here and make the payment. So let's go ahead and click on installments. So when you click on installments, you will see that my first payment was due 7/26/2020, and the next payment was due 8/26/2020. So every month is going to be due on the 26th of the month. Now, if you don't go in here, so say when it's time for you to pay, all you have to do is click here and it's going to say pay. Just click right here, literally where it's going to say pay your dollar. As soon as you click right here, it's going to be technically a payment. And it's going to report as in it's a card note. It's really just an installment account. Installment account is an account where they give you a set amount of money and you have a certain amount of time to pay it back, which is the 12 months for us. They gave us $12. We have 12 months to pay it back, paying $1 per month. So it's an installment account. So every month you're able to pay your bill. You can even come right here to installments and click here and pay. But you'll be able to see on the 26th of every month until June 26th, I have to make a payment on this account. If for some reason I stop paying or I don't log into here, you guys, it's going to drop my credit score because they're going to mark me as late. So make sure you pay it. Now, this is the kicker. This is the reason why I'm making another kickoff video, because this is like surprising. So one of my clients, we're fixing on his credit right now. You see his credit score went up 15 points. That's because Kickoff was added. But let me show you this. 15 points is like, okay, 15 points, that's nothing. But this client credit score went up 15 points. Let's see what changed here. It went up 15 points. But it was really, his credit score is supposed to go down because look at the different changes. He got a new late payment. So at first he's at 70%. Now since he got that new late payment, now he's at 69%. So he got a new late payment on New York and Company. And he got a new late payment on Pier 1. So he got 2 new late payments on credit cards. So listen, he got those new late payments, and then on top of that too, his balance increased. His balance increased on his credit card. Usually when your balance increases in your credit card, it's going to really drop your credit score. But it didn't because he got a new account open. Now, when he got this new account open on his credit reports, it really boosted his credit score. And listen, I don't even think it's been 2 weeks at all. Like I told you guys, they're reporting right away on these accounts. This was actually on the 7th. I believe I signed him up on the 1st. But yeah, this is Equifax. They reported to Equifax really quickly. Now, I don't know that if it reported to his TransUnion yet, but I just have to show you guys that he got 2 new late payments. His payment history actually dropped down. His payment history dropped down on those accounts, and his credit score still went up. So yeah, they did not report it yet on TransUnion. So I can't wait to see how much his credit score is going to go up on TransUnion. So go ahead and sign up for Kickoff. Like I said, it's very easy to go ahead and sign up for Kickoff. Go ahead and put your information in. And then too, after you put your information in, they're going to show you how to use their account. It takes less than 5 minutes. When they show you how to use their account, they're going to show you how to push the button so you can make that payment, and that's going to be your first payment. I know now if you sign up, right now is August, so if you sign up now, you'll be able to see that your credit score is going to go up very quickly. Like I said, it's going to take 2 weeks at the most. At least that's how long it took for me, and I'll see it took less than that for the client. I think we signed them up on the 1st, seriously. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Don't forget, this is the Kickoff account. I really suggest that you guys sign up for it. I see a lot of clients like, hey, I signed up for it. Make sure you come back and leave a comment to let us know how much your credit score went up, so that other people can be motivated to actually sign up too. Make a video about, please let me know. I also have 2 playlists here for you too. So I have a video that I think that you may be interested in, so go ahead and check that video out. And then I also have another video of different videos. Actually, I have another playlist of different videos that I think you may find very interesting, so please go ahead and check that out. And don't forget, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.